How to find OST Viewer and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare OST Viewer in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here are our website betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Now, click on the Browse button to select the installation location and then Continue. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch OST Viewer and click on the Finish button. How to view OST files with this software. First, you need to install OST Viewer on your computer and open it. Then, click on the Browse button, select OST file. There is a preview of your OST file. How to uninstall the OST Viewer software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the View OST file.